Yeah, I have to show you guys this cute thing that he does. So this is a toy that it's attached to a stick, and the cat's supposed to chase it. He's obsessed with this bird. He actually bit a leg off, so it doesn't have a leg. But when he plays with it, he cries. Watch. See? That's his cry. Like, he wants his baby. It doesn't matter. But he'll come over to me with it so I can see it, and then I have to tell him what a good job he did. Oh, what is that? What do you have? What? I love when he talks. So I talk to him and he answers me. Watch. What do you have there? I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. Oh no! The mean mama took it from you. What do you have? What do you have? Huh? Watch this, watch this. Give it away. Give it away. Oh. Oh, you love that birdie. Watch what he does with it. He'll go over and he'll march around like he's proud that he has it. And then he usually comes over to me with it so that I can see, and then I just tug on it gently, and then he walks away with it again. And yeah, that's his favorite toy. Yep. He sometimes brings it to bed with him. Oh, I'm gonna try to take it. Let's get loosen in it. What do you have? Come show Mama. Hey. Come show Mama what you have. Is that the birdie? Did you get the birdie? Yeah? Come show Mama. Where's the birdie? Oh, birdie. Yeah, you get the birdie? I'm gonna take it. Oh, you're so birdie. Is that your birdie? Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna get it. Well, that's the life with my baby, who's obsessed with this toy. Aww. He's so cute. Love you, Butterscotch. Look at Mama. I love you. I'm over here. Hi. I'm gonna take your birdie. Watch him flip out when he notices. All right, that's enough. Isn't he cute? I love you, buddy. Yeah. You love Mama? Are you a good boy? You're beautiful. Yes, you are. Are you the good boy? Are you the good boy? Yes. Isn't he adorable? Oh. All right. See you later, guys. Bye.